Hi friends, this video shows how to do hard reset or factory reset. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. Go to settings. Select the settings icon. Select device preferences. Go down. Select reset. Then select reset again. Please read this message. This will erase all data from your device internal storage, including your Google account, system and app data and settings, and downloaded apps. If your device is very slow, or if you are thinking your device has some virus, then you can try this reset. But you should be careful because it would delete all data from your device. If you are okay with that, you can select reset, then select erase everything and reset this device and recover your device. Okay, so I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please check it.